How to unblock someone in WhatsApp is very easy. So, if you have mistakenly blocked someone and you want to unlock or unblock from WhatsApp, then just open WhatsApp and at the top right corner where you see the three dots, click on that and then go to settings. Now, here you will find accounts and privacy. So, we will click on privacy and then we need to scroll down more and you will find contacts and blocked accounts. Now you can see the number of blocked accounts you will see right here. And the moment you click on that, you just need to select that account and you can simply unblock it. So this is how you can unblock someone in WhatsApp. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.